Okay, dear students, in regulation of breathing, how exactly breathing is regulated? Let us see. Because it is involuntary. Still, there is a regulation. A regulation of breathing. It is regulated by medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata has respiratory center. Respiratory center to regulate the breathing. And pneumotaxic center in pons. Pneumotaxic center in pons. Pons is not ponds. That is powder in your house. It's not ponds. It is pons. P-O-N-S. It's a part of brain. So, pneumotaxic center in pons also regulates breathing. Then chemosensitive area adjacent to rhythm center in medulla oblongata or HY, rhythm center is sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion. It's sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. The receptors of aortic blood vessels, aortic arch and carotid arch also recognizes the level of carbon dioxide and hydrogen in blood. So, there are different factors. One is called medulla oblongata. It has a respiratory center or rhythm center to regulate breathing. The pneumotaxic center in pons regulates breathing. Chemosensitive area adjacent to rhythm center in is sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion, H plus ion concentration. Receptors of aortic arch and carotid arch, where the blood flows, detects the level of carbon dioxide and H plus ion concentration. So by this, our breathing is regulated by all these factors, by all these measures. They work like stabilizers. How the stabilizer is required in your house for an electronic equipment, in the same manner, our stabilizers are medulla oblongata, pneumotaxic center in pons, then this one, chemosensitive area, which is very near to the rhythm area of the medulla oblongata, and also another one is receptors of aortic arch. Last part of this chapter, that is disorders of respiratory system. Respiratory system, the disorders are as follows: asthma, Asthma is an allergic response. Difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing. It causes wheezing and inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles, swelling because of the sensitive nature. Then emphysema, blown up condition of the lungs. Emphysema, that means you can breathe out but you can't breathe in. Chronic disorder caused due to smoking or inhaling continuously the polluted air. Smoking causes damage to the inner wall of alveoli. When the inner wall of alveoli is damaged, automatically the breathing rate decreases. Then occupational respiratory disorder. Occupational respiratory disorder. It depends on where you are occupying. For example, if a person is working in cement industry, granite industry, grinding stone industry, that is the work of the person, work and working place of a person. That causes the disease. So this is there for your midterm exam. If you get the video before midterm exam, so be prepared for this. And I'll continue the next chapter in the next class.